Hello students, welcome to our economics class. Today we are going to understand a very interesting chapter, the story of village Palampur. This chapter will help you understand how a village economy works in real life. So let's begin in a very simple way. Palampur Palampur is a small and imaginary village. It is not a real village, but it helps us understand real economic activities. This village is connected with nearby towns by roads, transports, electricity, schools, and markets. The main activity in Palampur is farming. Organization of production. To produce any goods or service, we need four basic things. These are called factors of production: land, labor, capital, and human capital. Land. Land includes all natural resources like soil, water, forest, and minerals. In Palampur, land is used for farming. Important point: land is a fixed resource, which means it cannot be increased. Labor. Labor means the people who do work. It includes farm workers and family members. Some labor is skilled and some is unskilled. Third is physical capital. Physical capital includes tools, machines, and money used for production. There are two types. First is fixed capital: tools, machines, buildings. Second is working capital: money, raw materials. Fourth is human capital. Human capital means education, knowledge, and skills of people. Example: an educated farmer can use better techniques and increase production. Now we will learn farming in Palampur. Farming is the main activity in Palampur. Farmers used modern methods of farming like HYV, high yielding variety seeds, chemical fertilizers, tubewells for irrigation. Important concept: multiple cropping means growing more than one crop in a year. Example: wheat in winter, jowar bajra in rainy season, potato in between. Next is problems of farming. Even after using modern methods, there are some problems. First is land is limited. Second is not all farmers can afford machines. Next is poor farmers depends on money lenders. Important line: modern farming increase production but also increases cost. Next is non-farming activities. People in Palampur also do other activities apart from farming. First is dairy. People sell milk in nearby villages and towns. Second is small scale manufacturing. People make simple goods like jaggery, pottery, etc. Third is transport. Some people work as drivers, rickshaw pullers, or transport goods. Shopping. Some run small shops selling daily items. Important point: these activities help people earn extra income. Conclusion. So students, what did we learn? Palampur teaches us that land is limited, labor and capital are important, education improves productivity. Non-farming activities are also important. A village economy depends on both farming and non-farming activities. Now we will MCQ of the chapter. Palampur is a real village, fictional village, a city or a state. Answer is a fictional village. Second is the main activity in Palampur is business, farming, fishing or mining. Answer is farming. The next question is, which is a fixed resource? Land, capital, money or labor? Answer is land. Next question is, which of the following is not a factor of production? Land, labor, capital and transport. The answer is transport. Human capital means money, machines, skills and education or land. Tell me the answer. Answer is skills and education. The next question is, multiple cropping means growing one crop, growing crops in different countries, growing more than one crop in a year, growing only vegetables. Answer is growing more than one crop in a year. Next question is, which of the following is working capital? Options are tractor, building, money and raw materials or tools. The answer is money and raw materials. Question 8 is, HYV seeds stand for high yield variety, high yellow value, heavy yield value, none of the above. The answer is high yield variety, option A. The next question is, which is a non-farming activity? Wheat farming, dairy, ploughing or irrigation? Answer is dairy is a non-farming activity. Next question is, what is the main problem in Palampur? Too much land, limited land, too many machines and no workers. Answer is limited land is the main problem in Palampur. Now we will do short answer questions. What is Palampur? Palampur is a small imaginary village used to explain economic activities in a simple way. Second question is, what are factors of production? Answer is, factors of production are resources to produce goods and services such as land, labor, capital and human capital. What is multiple cropping? Answer is, multiple cropping means growing more than one crop on same land in a year. Question 4th is, what is human capital? Answer is, human capital means the education, knowledge and skills of people. Next question is, give 2 examples of non-farm activities. Answer is dairy and shopkeeping. Now we will do long questions. First question is, explain the 4 factors of production. The answer is, the 4 factors of production are land, labor, capital and human capital. Land. Land is a natural resource. It includes soil, water, forest, minerals and other things found in nature. Land is used for farming and other activities. Second, labor. Labor means people who do the work. It includes both skilled and unskilled workers who help in producing goods and services. Third is capital. Capital includes tools, machines, equipment, buildings and money used to produce goods and services. It helps in increasing the productivity. Fourth is human capital. Human capital refers to the skills, knowledge, education and experience of people. It improves the ability to produce more and better goods and services. You can pause and write the answer from here. Next question is, explain farming in Palampur. The answer is, farming is the main activity in Palampur. Farmers use modern methods like HYV seeds, fertilizers and irrigation. They practice multiple cropping to increase production. Benefits: more production from the same land, better use of resources, higher income for farmers, food availability throughout the year. The next question is, what are the problems faced by farmers in Palampur? There are mainly 4 problems. First is land is limited. Farmers have small pieces of land which is not enough to produce more. Second problem is poor farmers cannot afford machines. Machines are expensive and poor farmers cannot buy them. Third is dependence on money lenders. Farmers takes loan from money lenders at higher rate of interest. Fourth is high cost of modern farming. Seeds, fertilizers, pesticides and irrigation are very costly. Next question is, explain non-farming activities in Palampur. Non-farming activities include dairy, small-scale manufacturing, transport and shopkeeping. These help people earn extra income. You can give example for each non-farming activity like dairy production and marketing, small-scale manufacturing, local weaving and pottery, transport, passengers and goods transport, shopkeeping, retail and wholesale trade. These non-farming activities providing extra income for the people. So students, in this video we have learned life in a village, the story of village Palampur, the MCQs and short answer questions. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe the channel for next chapters.